and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was not planning on filming this video. I don't think that I look video ready. I usually have a little bit more makeup on and I'm probably a little bit more chipper in my other videos, but I just came home from work. I'm literally falling asleep as soon as I'm done filming this video, but I went to my P.O. box and I saw that I got some packages and I was like, huh. And I wasn't expecting them either, so I was like, this is pretty cool. I thought I would go ahead and do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys, and then I'm going to bed. So, hence my appearance. I'm literally wearing like a grandma, like, jean top. But, I figured this would be a fun video. We're literally just gonna hop right into it. I got, actually I'm not gonna show you my address, because that's not smart at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this one. I'm so impatient. All right, so this is, I got, it doesn't even say the brand name. I got this checkered top. So this is from a brand, I'm assuming it says Milky Way right here. So I'm assuming this is from a brand Milky Way. This is actually really cute. This is like a little like running jogger. It has like mesh on the shoulder, so it's gonna be really airy. That's cute. Let's open up this one. It's already like partially open. So, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this one is a skin roller. It's a 5-in-1 kit. It says the skin roller, 3 micro needle heads with a vitamin C serum. Oh, this is so cool. It's one of those like micro needling brushes that like basically exfoliates your skin and does a whole bunch of other amazing stuff. Okay, that's awesome. And the brand that sent me this, I think it's literally just called the Skin Roller. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, this really does feel like Christmas. Okay, so after that, we're gonna open up this one. Oh, I really need to make sure I'm not showing my address. This one is by Venus Care. It says Venus Care Naturally You. This is the, oh, it's a Jade Roller. It says the Jade Roller benefits, reduces wrinkles on your face and neck, tightens skin, reduces dark circles. And the packaging's adorable. That is so cute. So it's a Jade Roller, and then it also has this little exfoliating sponge right here. And this is by the brand Venus Care. Oh, this is just so cute. I love this. Wow, I got a skin roller and a Jade Roller. That's awesome. So this is Splendies, Santa Monica, California. Why do I feel like I've heard Splendies before? I just can't think of how I've heard that before. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Hold on, let me look up what Splendies is really fast. Oh, so Splendies is a package that you get. It's like a subscription box. So you get it every month. Basically, you can sign up for a subscription for Splendies and they send you underwear every month. Okay, that's cute. So they sent me these, and then these, it has like blue floral, and then they also sent me this one that has like, it's a pink like see-through. And it says you sign up and it's only 13 bucks a month, well $13.99. Which isn't bad at all. Maybe I can get you guys, actually, let me see if I can get you guys a coupon code. And if I can't get you a coupon code, it'll be down in the description box. That's cute. And honestly, $14 for 3 pairs is not bad. Like if you've ever been to Victoria's Secret, like that's not bad at all. I have 2 more boxes left that I got. So let's do this one first. Wow, I really do feel like this is Christmas. I get PR boxes every once in a while, but I don't get like this many PR boxes at once, if that makes sense. So this one says, oh, this is cute. So it has this little heart here. It says try products from leading brands for free. Welcome, we're thrilled to have you on board as a Pinch Me influencer. You get special access to exclusive products, promotion, rewards, and more. Please join and share this box of amazing products with your followers, subscribers, readers, and use the hashtag #HappyPincher. Oh my gosh, it's just a bunch of like random stuff, but this is so cool. Interesting, I got black Skittles. And it says fruity flavor with a spicy kick. I've actually never seen that before. So Ava NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I'm actually really interested to try this stuff out. So this is the Biore Free Your Pore Charcoal, just as charcoal, for oily skin. And this is, it's micellar water. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited to try this stuff out. This is a nut butter. So this only has 4 ingredients. It has egg whites, almonds, dates. Oh, I guess there's only 3 ingredients. Okay, this is so cute. Folgers coffee. Here's a Moroccan oil treatment. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. This is native deodorant, so I'm guessing it's some sort of like organic deodorant. What I'm getting is the Pinch Me box. You get like a bunch of samples so you can try out brand names. That is so cool. Sorry guys, I'm getting so excited because I don't usually get PR packages, so this like makes me super, super happy. And then the last one that I got, I think I know what this is, and if it's what I think it is, I kind of want to make a whole video on it, but we'll see. So this says, treats, explore the world through food. And if this is what I think it is, I think it's international food. It is. This is exactly what I was thinking. Yeah, guys, so I definitely think I might actually do an individual video for this. So basically, there's this company, and it's called trytreats.com, and they send you, I think this is another just like subscription box, but they send you candy and chocolate from basically around the world, and it seems like every month it's a different, it's a different place. So this month it's Turkey. They gave me a bunch of different treats from Turkey. Like, that's so cool. You don't understand how hard it is right now for me not to eat this because I'm also really hungry, but I also know I'm going to bed, so there's no point in eating right now. I'm just so excited to try out like my Jade Roller, my skin roller, you know, like this box of treats. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is going to be awesome. I probably, if I try these out in a different video, I'll probably mention these brands again. So if you sent me anything, like, thank you so much. Like, you don't understand how much I appreciate this. So thank you so much for sending me this. Like, this is just so, so kind. And I am gonna go to bed because I am so tired. Clearly, you can probably see it in my face. Like, I'm just so tired. So thank you so much again, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Pretend like I just hit the screen. There we go.